Good morning, guys. So, day one in Milan. We're our only day, and look at this!
Lady, running down to the Riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat, cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. There's this movie that I think you like. This guy decides to quit his job and heads to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself. She's been living on a high shelf. Ooh. Oh, they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the Riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in that throat, cause you're gonna sing the words wrong.
Magnum frozen ball. This one is so cold. Oh, she's so chilly. So nice in here. Such a nice store. So I'm coming to Tayler and somebody made a big pie.
I just wanna know.
Morning, guys. We made it to Verona. Now we're just coming to the Verona arena, and then we'll be off to Juliets Balcony.
I just wanna know. Cause I can't have it any other way. I swear she's destined for the screen. Closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer that you'll ever see. Oh.
This is it. We made it. A Romeo and Juliet fidget spinner. Look at it. Oh. What is this? What is this? Currently walking through the Piazza Bra in Verona. It's bloody hot. We just had pizza at this cute little pizza place. It's really good. They're like big slices. We made it to Venice. So we are currently at our campground, which is called Camping Rialto. Way over there is like where all the bar and like the pizzeria and everything we can get
breakfast and dinner and everything.
It's so tiny and cute. Look at the window.
So, welcome to our humble abode.
That's my bed.
That's my bed. We got some sheets. And that's about it.
Oh, we got some toilet paper.
Yeah.
Running down to the Riptide, taking away to the dark.
Morning, guys. So it is our day in Venice today, and I don't know if you can hear that, but it's raining. It's been raining all night, and it's meant to be torrential all day. So I'm not sure what's going to happen with our gondola tour, and I've tried like contacting them via email, but they say to call, and I just don't know how we're going to call them. We're still in Venice, so we're going to make the most of it.
Who's that? Oh, it's Liv.
So we just went to the gondola thing, and
we're waiting there for like half an hour. Took us like an hour and a half to get there.
Yeah, we couldn't find our way because this is like a maze in the city, and we made it, and we waited half an hour, and then the chick came around and said, "They're not running today, sorry, you will get a refund."
I'm so gutted.
So we may not have gotten to do our gondola ride, but we came to the only other place that was on our list. The square. And look at that basilica. Oh my gosh. That is incredible. Lots of bowls. puddle. The water from the canal is literally flooding onto the street. And there's a sign that says no picnic. No picnic slip. Damn! So we just got back from Venice. It was very wet. On our adventure back to the bus station, I found €50, which is like the equivalent of New Zealand $80. Shit, yeah.